Alright, I just wanted to make a very short video on discussing my last video. Now everyone's saying that it's contradictory and that I'm contradicting myself, so I'm gonna ask you guys how exactly that is. I'm not mad. I just want to learn. I'm a human being. That's what life is. It's about learning. It's a learning experience just being here on this earth. Although a lot of shit sucks here, which is just what I'm showing you guys. That's for all intents and purposes, that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm showing you guys the things that are happening in the world without being your normal, boring, average newscaster, per se. I understand everyone is allowed to have their own opinion. I completely respect that. Again, like I've said many times before, I'm open to debating with or just having a regular discussion with someone else that has even just the completely opposite views as me. If you look in the comments, I haven't once just absolutely disagree and said nope, you're wrong. I've had an open mind. I have an open mind. If you guys have straight up proof, if you can show me pictures, if you can show me a link or anything, that I have my Instagram and Twitter and whatnot linked down below. If you guys want to go and DM me, go for it. I'm open to having a discussion. And as for, I'll show you. Also, just want to know very quickly, the guy was making a reaction about in that video had of course responded in the comments saying, "I finally made it. A Sneako clone is reacting to me." Now that's fine. I don't really take offense to anything. You can call me whatever you want, and I'm gonna continue making content because it's just what I want to do. This is just what I like doing. It's fun. I just like making content. I just like showing you guys what's up with everything. So I mean, yeah, you guys can call me whatever you want, whether it's a good or a bad thing. Everything has its consequences. Again, whether it be a good or a bad consequence, everything has its equal and opposite reaction. It's just the way of life. Okay, with this comment, I don't know why it's edited, but with this comment, I'm not feeling hate inside myself. Okay. I don't actually get angry. I'm just gonna explain this very quickly because I have other stuff to be doing today, but it's for entertainment. I come on here for entertainment, but to also at the same time show you guys again what's going on and how stupid some people are, how stupid this world is and what it's become. America, freedom of speech, not really a thing anymore, right? So that's just what I'm trying to show you guys, but no, of course no one's gonna listen to me if I just sit there and talk like a robot. That's boring. No one's gonna watch that. I gotta be energetic. I gotta be mad. I gotta entertain. This one right here. This is where this gets interesting. Here. Let's read this. I'm very confused. Is this satire? And I'm just being stupid? You saying not to judge everything on a 15 to 20 second clip and to do your own research, only to then admit to doing what amounts to absolutely no research and use a 15 to 20 second clip as your evidence for the opinion felt like a top tier. Not really, because I watch that clip that I showed in that video. That was the whole clip, and I haven't showed it to you guys. That's probably why a lot of people don't believe me. I haven't showed you, but there's a lot other stuff. There's a lot other proof for that specific topic. There's a lot of other proof for a lot of other specific topics that I haven't shown you guys because I've wanted to. Okay. I've been watching so many other videos for months now. For a while now, like since the beginning of this year, I've been watching videos, and it's slowly been getting to this point where now I'm like, okay, I need to share these messages with these people because they need to know this, and I feel that it's important for people to know these kind of things. So there's a lot of other stuff that I know that I've just kept in my memory, but I haven't entirely shared, because if I did, all of my videos would be hours in length, and of course nobody's gonna fucking watch that. I kind of have to dumb things down so it's still interesting and short enough decently to where people will watch them. I know usually they end up being 20 to 30 minutes, but sometimes it's the best I can do. I don't want to sit there for hours chopping shit up. Again, I have other things I want to do. And then he says, as your evidence for your opinion felt like a top tier criticism of these sort of rhetorics. But then it continues for the rest of the video. Now I'm worried I'm praising something that was not only unintended, but was meant as an actual argument. And I just said, how about we chat on a call, my friend? Now, I don't mean that in a sarcastic or a rude way. Like, genuinely, if anyone wants to talk to me, and if they have a point that they want to, if they have proof on their point that they want to try to get across to me, I'm completely open-minded, and I'm completely open as well to changing my mind. I'm not set in locked opinions, right? That's not, I don't know why, you know what I mean? I don't know why you would do that. The issue with a lot of people is that they'll have their set conclusion already in mind and then disregard any other evidence that there is for the opposing side. They just sit there and be like, yeah, well, that doesn't make sense to this. It's like, well, you kind of, sometimes you gotta just let go and see what the other side has to say. And then he also goes on to say, you see that right there, that's something of a misogynistic content creators say to people who disagree with them. Now, I don't know why that's an issue, and I don't know why that makes me misogynistic by saying I want to get on a call with you. I don't hate women. So he also says, are you being tongue-in-cheek and are poking fun at that behavior, or are you genuinely saying that? If it's that latter, hell no. I'm not good at talking to people. I get anxious answering my own parents' phone calls. Well, don't worry, I still do sometimes too. It's a normal thing. No, hey, we're all human, man. We're all human. Again, again, we're all human. We're all allowed to have our own beliefs, our own opinions, our own feelings. I'm not judging anybody for that. I'm just saying, again, when I was yelling and screaming in that other video, that's for entertainment. Okay? Yes, I do disagree with a lot of what he said, but that does not mean that I'm just saying he's wrong. Plus, it's just generally not a good idea to do that. If we did chat, you would just use your platform and confidence to quiet me. No. What I did say in this what I did say in the reply, which is true, I'm not gonna cancel people. I don't believe in that. That shit's dumb. I don't get why so many people will just deplatform someone just because they disagree with what they say. You know what I mean? They've already banned Sneako on Twitter. They banned Andrew Tate literally everywhere because everyone thinks he's misogynistic. Again, yes, I get things he said, but we're not going into that right now. They banned Jordan Peterson on Twitter. Like, who's next? I'm pretty sure they're gonna end up banning Sneako everywhere else pretty soon. I can show you guys if you don't believe me, but the Senate has actually looked at a video of his and said that he's a danger to, he's a domestic threat. So if you guys don't believe me on that, I will show you a video. I'll react to a video soon, like literally tomorrow or Wednesday or something, and show you guys if you don't believe me. I'm just saying. And if you still don't want to believe it, that's fine. That's whatever. Nothing I can do about it. I'm not going to sit here and argue about everything. Yeah, that's all I got for today. I mean, I just like looking at comments. A lot of times I reply to them because I feel it's good to have conversations with people of the opposing opinions and feelings. If we just sit there and only talk to people we agree with on literally everything, I mean, I feel like that's kind of boring, because then you won't actually have a conversation to talk much about because you already agree on it. There's nothing to do about trying to maybe convince the other person to come to the conclusion that maybe your opinion makes more sense or yada yada yada. So all in all, I mean, I love when you guys leave comments. It's great. I love having conversations with other people because usually I really don't have that much people to talk to. But yeah, just let me know if you guys have anything else you want me to react to or watch, and I'll do it. Just leave the link, otherwise I'll go and try to find it. And I am also thinking about streaming reacting to stuff for the purpose of a lot of videos being that I want to react to being more 30, 40, up to sometimes an hour in length, and I don't feel like sitting here for 3-4 hours at a time, if not more, just chopping that up and editing everything. In which I don't have to, but a lot of times it's just more entertaining that way. So yeah, just let me know what you guys think. If you have anything else, let me know.
Then it ended how I did when I told her to leave. Had to tell her what it is. She was stuck in a dream, thinking that it never end. You can blame it on me, you could blame it on me.